Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and I've got another cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Kansept knife Cybin, and this particular one is designed by Edgy Blade Works. And let's go ahead and get into it. We've got our free spinning. I think I'm going to have to get my handy dandy finger bit out here. These are pretty neat little things. You can slide the bit in like that, and while you're holding that side, then you can take that pivot screw out. Alright, and let's switch over. Body screws are T6s, and let's go ahead and remove those. And yep, I was going to say theoretically we should have everything good to go. Let's get those bearings out. Set the blade to the side. Nice large bearing. We've got a washer on that side too, and it is as such. So we will, let's see if this one will come out easily. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not going to sweat it too much if it can't, but that did pop right out. Alright, let's grab some cotton swabs and wipe down all the areas of the knife. Let's get that nice and spiffy here. Cleaned up. Nice frag pattern on the scales, by the way. Got some weight reduction pockets there. On that side as well, on the lock side. Want to make sure we get where that that's interesting. Where we get where the lock face is. But I was noticing on this side how the milling is such that it actually came out through the if you can see that. I don't think that's the way it's supposed to be. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's not, because there's actually a burr on this side. So that's the first time I've seen that, I believe. So again, don't think that's the way it's supposed to be, but we shall see. If that's not a big deal, I'll pop it up on the screen there, but that's really odd. Alright, wiping down the blade, get that lock face as well. Alright, let's grab another cotton tip applicator and start getting our bits and pieces out here. I like to get the bearings out and set those to the side, let those be air drying for just a moment while I get everything else. That way, the goal is when I go to put some oil on the bearings here in just a little bit, I don't have to worry about it still having alcohol in it. Let's get that. Those all nice and spiffy. Let's grab that pivot. I may have zoomed in a little much on this one, but we'll try to keep it everything in frame here. Y'all yell at me if I don't. taking and just trying to clean this pivot screw up just a little bit, pinching my finger between my forefinger and thumb, putting that nail down into the threads of the pivot screw there, and managed to get a little cotton there. All right, let's see. All right, we've got all our pieces together. I'm going to take a cotton tip applicator and clean out these areas here. Same for here and here. Being careful of that area right there. That's interesting. All right. Alright, so now we're going to take this pivot, put it as such. Let's slide this up so we can put some things there. I want to go ahead and make sure I put a washer there. Let's get a bearing in place. Put a little bit of gunny glide on each side of the pivot. There's the gunny glide that I use. Let's go ahead and slide this on and put the other bearing. We'll go ahead and put a little more gunny glide each side of the pivot there, and make sure we put that washer on. Alright, put a little dab of gunny glide there on the pivot, or on the detent ball, and then we're ready to put things together. Let me grab the T8 and go ahead and put that pivot on first, and then we'll having a little bit of trouble there. There we go. And we'll tighten that up. And go ahead and grab that T6 back again. This is why I like it to, one of the reasons that I like it to be T8s on the body screws is you don't have to switch back and forth. Alright, now let's see. There we go on that one. This one wasn't wanting to grab, but I think what's happening, and we'll grab the T6 finger bit that I have, is that it's catching and spinning that standoff there in the inside of the backspacer. Well, that actually, let's grab the T8 again. I'll back off just a hair and see if what we've got as far as any blade play. Okay. And we did introduce a little bit blade play, so back ever so slightly. And we'll actuate it a couple times. See what we've got. That's got it. Alright. So we've got good centering there. We've got good action there. So disassembly and cleaning of the Kansept Cybin. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the cutout for the bearing there, and how it's like it's that side is basically busted out. Let me know what you think about that. I'm a little surprised at that, and let me know your thoughts about it. Appreciate you watching. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.